Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates, and in this video I have 3 small bathroom makeovers, all of them done under $350, so stay tuned. So I have got a super treat for you today. I have 3 small bathroom makeovers that I'm going to share with you. The very first one is from Marissa. She is a popular Instagrammer. Her Instagram is her home. Let me show you a sneak peek of a few pictures of her home. Okay, take a look at this beautiful bathroom. Let it soak in for a minute. Everything she's done is just bold but subtle and absolutely gorgeous. Marissa started with the vanity. The glass decal front really needed some updating, so she found, listen up, peel and stick grass cloth. This was a brilliant idea. She covered up the glass, and then the next thing she did was she began painting the vanity. Super easy to do, time consuming, but super easy, and again can save you a ton of money. Next, she painted the mirror. It was the perfect size. Adding a little chalk paint and lightening it up made the entire space look beautiful. Look how it even matches the grass cloth. I'm going to be honest, I've never thought about flamingos for bathroom wallpaper, but it is absolutely beautiful. So this next Instagrammer is Cole from Cole World, and yes, you're going to recognize her. She's one of my design assistants. She was highly popular on Instagram? Highly popular on Instagram before I ever met her, and I'm going to show you a few pictures of her home. Cole's home is a 1940s home in downtown Murfreesboro, and little secret, make sure you subscribe because next week the video is on her entire home. It's going to be a super treat. But back to her bathroom. Her bathroom was done for $350. Take a look. The first thing they did to this bathroom was add some board and batten. Next, they tackled the floors. This flooring had several layers. I would have lost my mind. But her and her husband Nick did a fabulous job of getting it up, and then they added long marble tiles that they purchased from Lowe's. Next, they removed the pedestal sink and replaced it with a sink they found at Lowe's. It was brown. They painted it the same colors that they painted the walls, which gave an illusion of a larger space. So for my small bathroom makeover, I'm in the guest bathroom. I knew, because we have so many projects we're working on in our house, that this was going to get pushed down the list. So I thought, okay, what's the cheapest way I can just fix it up a little bit? And so I did just like Marissa. I painted the vanity kind of a pretty blue color. The vanity was in great shape. I don't need to replace it. Throwing that paint on there, immediately updated it. But the coolest thing, at least that I thought that I did in here, was the tile. To me, I just didn't like it. It was brown, it looked old, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna try painting it, because I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen, because we're gonna have to replace it anyway. I had seen a lot of girls who stenciled the bathroom floor, and I tried that, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, I was terrible at it. I had to completely start over. It just looked horrible. So what I did was, and I've got a video, I'll link to it to show you, but in a nutshell, I painted it 2 coats, and then I took a sander and just lightly sanded over it so the bottom color, which was darker, came through the top color. It looks like old world tile, and I gave it 2 coats of polyurethane. We've had it down for 2 years. It cost me pennies on the dollar, and I love it. It was cheap and I love it. Take a look. So I know some of you out there get really intimidated to play with paint. Let me tell you, once you jump off that diving board, you'll be looking at everything in a whole new light. You can do a lot of changes on a budget if you're willing to play around with paint and you're willing to take a little bit of a chance, but you can do it and you can make it look fabulous. I want to thank Marissa and Cole for allowing me to share their small bathroom makeover. You guys be sure to go follow them. Marissa is at her home and Cole is at Cole World on Instagram. Fabulous ladies. You guys be sure to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to have that special video out next week of Cole's house. You will not want to miss that one. Stay safe and stay well.